here's Shirley, and I'm introducing our product of this brand new AV-2040 camera. This camera has built-in auto tracking functions. It will automatically detect the human face and tracking the presenters in the stage. It also has built-in tele-light that will introduce the when the video signal sent to the in live, it will show up there, so the audience will know that the video signal is actually on live. And also it has the USB-C output, HDMI output, and also SDI output. And our newest version of this camera have the NDI functions. So it's actually built in one camera, so it will meet all the needs.
Do you want to give a website?
Please, you can see more information about these products on our website. Our website is avipas.com. Thank you.